Hi, and welcome to Marshie's Inspired Studio. I'm Chef Marshie, and I've been teaching food safety for the past 30 years. Thank you and welcome if this is your first time here. So, I have a playlist dedicated to food safety. Now, in this series, I'm talking about changes that have happened in the food code because ServSafe, Always Food Safe, the National Registry of Food Safety Professionals are all updating their materials. Okay, and so I thought I'd make a series of these changes for you. Now, hand antiseptics. Can you use those in place of washing your hands? No. Okay. No. All right. Hand antiseptics are often mistakenly called hand sanitizers. And what they're designed to do is to decrease those pathogens, those germs, right? But unfortunately, you must wash your hands first and make sure you use a paper towel to dry them off. All right? Um, you only use hand antiseptics after washing your hands. Wait for the hand antiseptic to dry before you touch food or equipment because you don't want to have a chemical contaminant in the food. Now, I'm going to go ahead, since I'm talking about hands, talk about cut resistant gloves. Now, let's say you use those mesh gloves or metal gloves or gloves designed for shucking shellfish. You need to understand they need to be cut resistant, right? Because that's the whole purpose, so someone doesn't cut themselves. And they must be smooth, durable, and non-absorbent. Why do they need to be non-absorbent? Because germs can get in there, and then as a result, you've got cross-contamination happening every time they're cutting something. Okay? So, hope that was helpful. If it was, like, share, and subscribe. And I see my sign back there. Wash your hands. And this is a possible test question. How long is the total process for washing your hands? It's 20 seconds. I don't want y'all to miss that on the test. It's 20 seconds to scrub underneath your fingernails, right? And that's 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, I do third-party inspections, so if you need that service, please reach out to me at mnmbizsolutions.com and I'll be happy to help you. Bye. Oh, and check out that next video in this question.